My name is Naveed Hussain. I'm a divorce attorney in Chicago. Today, I wanted to talk to you about alimony and maintenance. You may ask, what is alimony? Alimony, or otherwise known as maintenance, are payments that are made from one spouse to another after the divorce ends. And the purpose of these payments is for one of two reasons primarily. Number one is to help that person get back on their feet. And number two, to give them a lifestyle that is commensurate with the lifestyle they enjoyed during the marriage. Now, we have to understand that alimony is based off the theory of two individuals becoming one sacrificing, let's say, their career, their time, or there being a discrepancy in income, or other circumstances may lead to an award of maintenance or alimony. A question that I get often is, what is the difference between alimony and child support? The difference is pretty simple. Child support is there to support children, the cost of their housing, clothing, and food, those things that are a little hard to quantify, whereas maintenance is used for the support of the other spouse. The other spouse who may have sacrificed their career or made less throughout the marriage. That is the difference. One payment is to support the children. One payment is to support the spouse to get them back on their feet. How is alimony calculated? Alimony is calculated in accordance to state law. In Illinois, we use 33% of the higher earner's income minus 25% of the lower earner's income. So I'd like to walk you through an example. Let's say in this scenario, the husband makes $100,000 net income and the wife makes $20,000 net income. So we're going to take 33% of 100,000, we'll say 33,000, and 25% of 20,000, which is 5,000. If you then take 33,000 minus 5,000, you end up with $28,000. So $28,000 would be the amount for maintenance per year. However, there's a second part of the calculation, which is to make sure that this number does not take the wife over 40% of the combined income. So we'll take wife's income of 20,000 plus the maintenance amount that she's going to get, 28,000. That equals 48,000. Now, 40% of 120,000 is actually 48,000. So in this case, she abides by the 40% rule. None of that amount would be cut off. So 28,000 would be the amount that would be paid in maintenance, formerly known as alimony. After we calculate how much maintenance is going to be, we need to calculate how long maintenance is going to last. This is going to be determined by the length of someone's marriage. So for example, in a 5-year marriage, the length of maintenance will be for 1 year or 20%. The longer you get married, the longer your maintenance duration is going to last. It's a sliding scale up to 20 years. Once you reach 20 years of marriage, from that point forward, your maintenance can last indefinitely or even permanently. The topic of alimony is a very contentious point in litigation. There are many cultural and religious implications of alimony in maintenance, especially as it relates to Muslims. So you would be very wise to obtain a prenuptial agreement and talk to your local scholar, your local imam, your local lawyer to understand fully what your obligations of maintenance may be or how much maintenance you may receive. If you'd like to learn more about alimony or get more information about your case, give us a call at 630-909-9114, or you can find us at our website, www.farooqihussain.com. Thank you.